What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So Samsung has started rolling out One UI 8.5 Beta 2 for Indian region, but for other regions it's One UI 8.5 Beta 3. And with this update they have brought one interesting change. So in this video we'll talk about every change what you guys will find on your Samsung devices with the latest One UI 8.5 Beta 2. But before moving ahead guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So here I have my Samsung S25 Plus. In the past itself I mentioned I had applied for the beta program. So today I received the Beta 2. Let me show you the software information first. So here you can see it says One UI 8.5. If you go to the software information section, it's based on Android 16 and the build version is ZZA3 and it comes with the security patch of 1st Jan 2026. So this was the OT update which I received, which do bring some bug fixes. But one change which they haven't mentioned in the change logs, I'll tell you guys that also. And the total update size was 1255.28 MB. So the first thing which I noticed after installing this latest build, the animations have become more smoother compared to the previous build. And trust me guys, Samsung is improving on animation day by day with their new updates. Let's hope we get the animations like OxygenOS or you can say ColorOS on One UI 8.5 or One UI 9. And with this new update, you can easily feel the improvements in the animation. And also let me know, do you guys want a comparison of animations between OxygenOS 16 with that of One UI 8.5? Let me know in the comment section below. After that, there's new add-on what they have done and which they haven't mentioned in the change logs, and that's related to wallpapers. So if you go to wallpapers in style section, tapping on change wallpapers, if you scroll down under graphical, you can see now we do have a download option. This wasn't present before. Let me show you a screenshot of the previous update. So this is how it used to appear on the previous build, I mean the beta 1. But now if you see, we have a download option over here, and guys, they have added motion wallpapers now. So whenever you move your device, you'll see that motion in the wallpaper also. So I've applied this wallpaper. You can see if I slightly move the device, there's a slight motion. Let me select a different wallpaper and show you guys. So we'll select this one, tapping on next, and now you can see there's a slight motion in the background. And whenever you tilt the device, you'll also see that motion. All these wallpapers do have that motion effect. You can see that with this wallpaper too. So this is one add-on what they have done with this latest update of One UI 8.5. So that was the only change which they haven't mentioned in the change logs. Now let's talk about the change logs here. So under bug fixes, they have mentioned about a clock related issue on the lock screen. I personally never had any kind of issues with the clock on the lock screen. Some users might have reported, so that thing they have fixed. And again, the second issue was related to now briefing, which was not being displayed on my device. That wasn't the case. Then they say they have improved the lagging issue while using live effect in the gallery. Here you can take a look at this live effect which was done before updating the device. Now let's use this similar photo and see whether any improvements are to be seen or not. So if you guys are not aware, to add the live effect you just need to open that particular photo, swipe up, and you should see an option of live effect. Tapping on it, it will take few seconds and the live effect will be added on your photo. If I compare it with the previous one, the speed seems to be slightly better on this latest one. Here towards the right hand side you can see this was the screen recording which I'm showing you guys on my other device. Slight smoothness can be seen after this latest update. Then they say they have improved the issue of high power consumption when a specific app is running. So to check this, I have to use the device. After the update of 8.5 beta, I've never used this device as my primary one, so I'm not sure about this issue. And then they say they have enhanced the visibility of search button on the widget edition area. Here also I did not notice any kind of changes, so let me open up the widget section, and if I tap on search, I did not notice any kind of changes here. Let me show you a screenshot from the previous build. Here you can see side by side, I personally did not notice any change here. But one thing which I want Samsung to fix, and that's related to the background of this search icon. So here you can see the background instantly pops up instead of having that slow animation. This is the only case over here. If I go here in the app drawer, and now the background of these three dot have better animation. So if I slide up, you can see there's a slight motion, which isn't the case in the widget section. And if you take a look at this search bar towards the bottom side, previously the mic icon was completely black in color, but now it's been grayed out. So this is another change what you'll notice. After this latest update, I noticed this pop-up which says your favorite contact now appears as card. You can change it to list view in the more menu. But the list view option was already there on the previous build. I don't know why this pop-up appeared after the latest build. So guys, other than these changes, we did not notice any other thing on Samsung S25 series with the latest update of 8.5 Beta 2, or you can consider Beta 3. We'll drop an in-depth review of this device. So if you guys have any kind of questions, you can let us know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.